I'm recording, lads. I'm recording. Alright, bro, what am I saying, bro? Shut up. Anyways, the challenge for today. I'm in pro servers because why not? Dude, challenge today. For every round, I can't use a button. So basically, what this is challenge. It kind of would look like I'm cheating a bit, but like, because I can't do it. But like, it's not, I promise. So like, the first way to success is to win. No shit. Okay, but the first button I can't use is C. So C, I cannot use C in pro servers. So the only way for success. I can't crawl. I can't vent. Can't use the vent. Bro, I can't use the vent, bro. Oh, I just used one earlier, but technically I didn't crawl in it, so it didn't make sense. I'm not gonna use one ever again just because I was actually just still thinking of a challenge to do in this game, bro. Oh my god, what am I doing? So I have the skill level of Mr. Diver, so I'm kind of gonna be cooked this round. Well, at least it's arcade because I hate when I'm beasting this map, bro. It's so annoying. It's dog. Only when you beast. Survivors are good. He's here. Kevin, I'm cooked. I'm so cooked. No, she's why is it so cold? Can't do anything, bro. Without my C. Bro, I could have vented over there, but like, nah, that's risky. Not doing that shit. And I ran into the beast, bro. I'm so annoyed, bro. See, I told you I have the skill level of Mr. Dino. I am not good at this game. Oh my god, you're what? Yeah, what? How did bro pull that? If he still saves me, he's the GOAT. Yep, he's it. Bro, what? You got lucky, bro. Bro, we had 4 people and then they left. Yo, okay, that's unfair. That's unfair, bro. How did this kid win, bro? Nah, I have to do the challenge again, bro. That was so short. Nah, bro. The only map I can probably cook in is the airport map, unless I go to server or something, bro. Because I'm cooked. Dude. And if I'm beast, I just can't use runner, bro. Actually, no, I can use runner. Nah, it's just gonna be C, E, or jump. Runner's fun, I guess. Runner's fun. No, to vote. I dare you to vote, bro. I dare you to vote. Vote. Or should I think I should use runner. Why they actually voted is crazy. Dude, it'd be funny if I win without runner. Dude, you know this map? If it's this map, it might be doable, bro. And you're lucky, bro. He's gonna be the beast. He's probably, I don't know, actually. It's that my teammate, the Buns teammate, bro. Oh my god. No, dude, wait, actually, no, it wasn't him. It was, oh, it's just this random guy. Okay. She don't know who it is. That's not good. Little. Hey, little. Bye, bam. No. I can't use crawl. I didn't crawl right yet. No, dude, I can't go in that room, bro. That means I can't crawl, really. Like, I just can't press C once. like him. I just can't do that. Look at this boy. Bubble. Dude, I'm about to be level fast and then get lucky. Oh yeah, I told you that girl's buns, but she got lucky in that round. Ooh, what's up? What's up, my bro? Yo, what? Oh, nah, lucky. Yeah, it's because I thought she was gonna go there, bro. Not even trying it. I'm actually kind of cooked. I do have to try, so I'm nervous. I don't know why I went inside the lab, bro. I'm kind of stupid for that. Yeah, bring the beast here. What's up, bro? Come for me. Yo, the target is correct. Yo, let this guy cook, bro. Oh, alright, bro. Alright, anyway, he kind of cooked, though. Fair play. I know English. No, I'm so stupid. Bro, it's because this stupid thing, bro. What is that? I kind of want to save. Because I have nothing to do in this game at this point, bro. I should retire, bro. I'm going to retire. I'm going to save him. What's up, my bro? What's up, my brother? Bro, boy, me the soup. Alright, bro. What's up, my brother? What the town sword? Alright. Bro, why is he camping that room? I can't even go in that room, bro. I can only use the door. Oh my god, bro. All my teammates got caught. Except me. But I can save from here. So not this way. Oh, his teammate. Good save. No. Bro, what happened to him, bro? Oh, bro, she's lagging, bro. Dang. Okay, save him. Save that guy. Yes, boy. That's my brother. Not the school. Yeah, I'm putting on Do Not Disturb, bro. It might have been caught on camera. Of course. I basically got vent, bro. Do I risk it? I'm just doing it. Now, I have to turn on Do Not Disturb. I have to. Wait, hold on. I'm just gonna do that real quick. Woo! Because, like, bro. If I get disturbed, if I get a freaking phone call in the middle of the camera, bro. GG's. WC, bro. WT. And the way I use steps are kind of idiotic, bro. Like, bro, if I hear someone move, bro, I don't go. Alright, bro. That guy's fine. Dude, let the team cook, bro. If I'm gonna do it. Oh yeah, if I bottle the challenge, bro, I'm giving 5 spirits as beast, bro. And it adds on if I still survive and don't do the other challenges correctly. So it technically will add on. I can't bet. My guy's a troll. Bro. Oh shoot! Oh! Bro, how many brokers you got on me, bro? I feel bad for you. I'm sorry. Yeah, I know what exit's open. It's probably that one over there. Yeah, dude, I'm going the long way. See you later. I'm going the long way. Or should I go this way? You know, I'm gonna go this way. Just to make sure that I'm cooking. And I did not vent one time in this round, so it's gonna be another challenge, surely. And so it's open. Let's go. We got the win. GG's. We got the win. I didn't get caught once because I got lucky and I'm a bum. See, Mr. Dyluck up there. Dude, I can't. I'll stop clowning him, bro. Okay, I'm sorry. Yo. Bro, I almost made it in a flea facility tournament, bro. I didn't qualify. It's because I gave up. Bro, I was young, bro. Chill. Yeah. Why am I mentioning this? It's not part of the challenge. The next challenge of the video is... I can't press E. Actually, no, I'm beast. So you know what? I'm gonna... Okay, I'm pausing. I'm sorry. The challenge of the video is going to be that I'm not using runner, obviously. At least it's apple bread. Give it a cook. Give it a cook. It's apple. Huh? No, I don't want to hear the freaking lobby music. Oh, I'm not beast. Oh, wait, what? I thought I was gonna be beast. I had the chance, bro. Anyways, since I'm not the beast. Okay, babies. It's okay. Your debut to it's your debut to posters. Anyways, then the challenge will not jump. Okay, why did I already jumped, so I can't use windows. And I can't do this. I already jumped, but nah, this does not count, bro. This does not count. Bro, it feels so weird not using the button, bro. Like, at least I can press that button. No, I can't do tricks, bro. Why are you doing tricks in front of me? No, I'm gonna be here. Okay, at least I hacked that computer. She's hits. No, bro. Hit, bro. Why? No. I'm stupid, bro. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna have to give 5 spares when I'm beast. Oh my god, bro. Bro, what is this voice chat? Who voice chats in pro servers in the big tool? I wanna use you. Oh, shoot. Oh, she's here, she's here, she's here. Bro, I'm past my prime, bro. Past my peak, bro. I'm cooked. Don't give me that XP, bro. No, why do I have to be on this side, bro? I hear double the noise because of this kid, bro. Dude, oh my god, bro. He cooked you.
Afi, mano. Ai.
Sport and buy XP.
Lugar, rapariga.
Buy XP.
Oh.
Nah, I don't speak Portuguese, so... Which I think that's Brazilian. So.
Tá aí, mano. Roubaram meu PC.
Yes, most Brazilians play this game. I can't jump. Wait, did I jump? VAR review? No, I used that. I think I used that door, bro. Not, bro. I just forget stuff. I don't know why, bro. The words that you're saying are empty my brain. That's why it's gonna make sense. At least I can use that window, bro, because I know how to do this. Now, if he comes from that window, it's GG's.
Ah, verdade.
Mama buenas.
Lutar com ele pra me
I didn't jump. I did not jump.
Fala pra
Can't do
ele.
elevator. I wish I could. It's my favorite trick in this map. I could no, I'm not saying this. Dude, 5 spares, bro. I can't jump one more time. If I jump one more time, bro, it's over for me. Oh my god, teammates! You don't understand. Playing in garage. Bro, who said this was gonna happen, bro? I'm gonna hide here, bro. I'm gonna hide here. Please! I need to see points. I'm dying, I need to see points. I got stuck, bro. What? I can't jump. Chill, I can't jump. No, I can't jump, bro. Nah, if I jump one time, bro, 10 spares in the match. Yo, I'm gonna lose, bro. And I can't use runner. Just like that. Oh my god, sorry, I used runner earlier. Dude, I'm not gonna save anymore. But if I save, bro, it's gonna be over. I'm cold. I'm cold if I get saved. I can't jump away, so... Oh, shoot, I'm cooked. I have to do it. Serious, I'm stuck. Can't do... Yeah, I'm stuck, bro. That's what I have to do. She left me, bro. At least she left me to live. Oh, can't do anything, bro. It's over. Insta save, bro. What? Yo, what? Okay, bro. Dude, it feels so weird to not jump. No. Please. Okay, dude, she got away. Bro, the fact we have garage and playing as last computers, bro, we're cooked. Now you're just gonna stay outside the whole game. Wait, did I jump? Did I just jump? Whoa. Nah. Wait, did I just jump? I think I just jumped, bro. Oh my god, bro. Bro, I jumped. This game is stupid, bro. Okay, anyways. To make it fair for myself, 10 spares is dumb and all. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna reduce from it 5 to 3. So that's 6 spares. Frick this game, bro. 6 spares in the round and with no runner. Nah, bro. I need the money, bro. I need the money. Bro, don't monetize all these videos, 800 videos or something, bro. Demonetized. Yeah. Cooked. Yo! Alright. Room that has ladder. Bro, okay, bro. What are you talking about? Oh, plane's done. Yo, what? I thought plane was not done. This is the room with the ladder. Shit. Dude, this is not the room with the ladder. Bro. What is this? What are you talking about? Office. Bro, dude, there's no ladder in office. Bro, what? Idiot. Alright. I did not do this. This is dumb. Oh, I know what she's talking. Wait, no. Room with ladder, bro. What? Okay, I'm getting these. We won the game, bye. We won the game, guys. I didn't mean to say bye, bro. We're not leaving yet. Cooked. Yeah, I'm cooked. What am I doing, bro? Can't do this. Dude, they patched this one, right? Yeah, they did, bro. Oh my god, dude. Okay, open the door. Yes. I'm staying here, bro. I'm not getting extra, bro. Can't jump. Alright, bro. Nah, dude, I just might have to escape. I can't be with you, bro. Now, tap to move is next. FTF Pro servers, but I can't do tap to move. Do I just escape? I think I just escaped. What am I doing? She exposed me. Frick. She exposed me. Wait, what? Well, how did the metal detector detect in that room, but it didn't detect in this room? Huh? Yo, what? Wait, this doesn't work, surely, right, bro? Yeah. Wait, what? Yeah. Is this one broken or something, bro? Yeah, why is that one broken? Wait, what? Yo. Hold on a minute. Yeah, like, why is the metal detectors are broken in this game now? Huh? Yeah, I think both exits are open. I think it's just GG's. Yeah, it's GG's, bro. Yo. GG's. I'm escaping. I'm gonna escape. You guys, are you gonna leave or what, bro? Because, like, I know you want that extra, bro. I know you want that extra, bro. Oh my gosh. Can you stop, bro? Wait a minute. I need to be loud. Steps. I'm sorry, bro. They want that extra, bro. Oh my God, what are you doing, bro? Chill. I know you want that extra. I know you want that extra, bro. She's gonna camp the garage PC. All she just has to do is just force us into the exit. We got it. I'm just gonna stay here, bro. Oh my God, why am I chilling with you guys? You just had to do it at some point. Alright, bro. Finally, I can press this button. Oh my God, it feels so good pressing this button. Like, bro, you don't know how much I really wanted to press this button. Oh my God. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God, bro. Ho ho. Nah, dude, if I get a trash map as the beast, I'm cooked. Because I have to give 6 spares and runner. No, runner. Man. PCs are very pro. Humiliated. Nah, dude. But I left DMs. I already know Q is gonna lose. Speaking of Q, bro, I'm not gonna use that. No, it's this map. I'm cooked, bro. Nah, I'm cooked. And I swear if they vote arcade, but I'm gonna get pissed if they vote arcade. You know, arcade doesn't really need runner. You just need the right prediction. But like, dude, I do not want to be beast in arcade for the 3rd time today, bro. Yeah, I played daily a lot. And I was beast in arcade 2 times, bro. Oh my God, I got pissed. Dude, oh my God, bro, I'm cooked, bro. Oh my God, arcade. Dude, and 6 spares, arcade and 6 spares. Nah, dude, I need to farm an AFK person, bro. Dude, that's not gonna be happening. 6 spares, no runner, in arcade. Yeah, if I win this game, bro. Dude, yeah, whoever voted in the map's donkey, bro. It's you, level 387, and, oh, that's just the 2 highest levels below me. Yeah. I had to put the volume, bro. I need the volume. Yes, I hate that PC. Someone left, bro. That makes it worse. Actually, kind of makes it worse. PC here, and no one here, man. Someone's here, right? Alright, I need that door closed at all costs. Bro, the thing about this map, no doors. No, dude, you can't use doors. If I use runner, that means, you have to dislike the video. Okay, bro. Nah, dude. I can't think of anything, bro. Do I get a free capture from the beast? Do I do that? Dude. 6 spares. They already have 2 PCs hacked and 6 spares. I'm cooked, bro. Let me hit you. Let me. Alright, you're spared. No. Alright. Bro. Does this count, bro? Does this count? I didn't move, but I pressed Q, bro. Wait. Does that count? Actually, I don't know. Please, let me hit you, bro. Oh, the door's open. You're lucky. No. No, I got stuck, bro. What? Are you in here, bro? Okay, no, you're not. So I'm not used to not using runner. I already did 1 out of 6 spares. 2 out of 6 spares. Please. What are the spots, bro? What are the spots? We don't have this one, right? No, we don't. Yeah, I'm dead. Can we have this one now? I think we finish actually. Yes, there's. Everyone finishes this every time. Oh, with that one? Bro. Messed it up instantly, I see you. What's up, my brother? So many steps. Let me hit you, bro. I need spares. My spares gone, bro. Yeah, I lost the game, bro. Dude. Nuisance to the start. Oh my God, I just did big sell. How do I do a bounce back? What are you doing, bro? What are you doing, bro? Yes, 2 spares. Alright. Bro, I have hope? No, I don't. Bro, I have no hope. I have no hope. That's all, bro. No way I'm winning. You have this spot. Oh, wait, we have... Okay, I take that back. Oh. 3 spares. Oh my god. Frick my rules, man. Frick my rules. Nah, do I just body camper? No, I'm a body camper, bro. Wait. This might cook, bro. Hold on, I might body camp. Nah, wait, she flopped away. Yo, okay. How do you flop that fast? That door's open. I see them, bro. No, I need someone that's, like, here. She good. Yeah, they're both good. Nah, how do you get up fast, bro? Escape. Nah, I lost this beast because I spared everyone. I literally spared every single person I hit, bro. Oh. That's full spares. Bro, does this even matter, bro? Nah, I'm killing her. Can't break my rules. I have full spares. Bro, if I somehow get this person, bro, everyone has to subscribe. Whoever watches this. Imagine everyone that watches this is the people that already subscribed to me. Be funny. No, I spared her. Just because I had to. Let me hit you. No. What's this, boy? No way, bro. Nah, we're winning every door. No, you're not making that door. Yo. No, you're not cooked. You're not cooked. And does she see the door? Apparently she doesn't see the door. Oh, wait, I used runner. I'm idiot. Oh my god, bro. How do I use runner? Yo, I'm idiot and I move this time. Yes. What? Yo. I'm using it. I'm breaking my rule. Breaking my rule. Oh, she saw the door. Okay, I still broke my rule. Lucky, bro. I gave 5 spares, bro. 5 spares. No, 4 spares, not 5. Bro, this game is... Bro, why arcade, bro? Oh my god, bro. Yeah, I got nobody, bro. Oh my god. Bro, if only I was beast last round. Oh my god, bro. You know what? This is the final challenge. This is the final challenge of the video. Because, yeah. I got clowned? No. No, okay. I didn't get clowned, bro. It's just that I gave 5. like, full spares. And I tried to not use runner as much as possible. Bro, the arcade glaze from this kid is crazy, bro. The arcade glaze is... What? Like, bro, what? Nobody likes that map. Like, whose favorite map is arcade, bro? Alright. That's a professional player, bro. If you're a professional player and likes arcade, bro, who are you, bro? I'm sorry. Now, people have their own opinions, but, like, bro, arcade? You serious? Dude, and the final challenge of the video is the last button that I haven't used. E. I can't hack. I can't open doors. I can't save. And if I press E, I will... Okay. Bro, this is why I forget stuff in my life, bro. I talk to... If I can't multitask. I hate you, conference. Alright, bro, I'm being cold. Anyways, does that count? Yes, this does not count. This does not count, bro. That does not count. That does not count. Bro, okay, I can't hack with you, bro. Can't hack. I can press the button, but it won't do it. Heck. No. I can't hack with you. You're gonna have to do all that by yourself. Oh shoot, she's actually here. Oh my god, I'm cooked. I'm actually cooked. Oh my god. Oh my god, I got away with that. Yo. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. I got away with that. With the broken again. Power of brokens. Power on my side this time. Except that last time, bro. That last time was freaking annoying. Oh, I can't save, bro. Bro, I can't save. I can't open doors. I can't hack. Oh, basically, if she just catches everybody, bro, it's GG's for me, bro. Unless the exits are open. They have to open the exits themselves. And that means I just have to outlive her. Without using E. Besides that first time, bro. That just... Okay, bro. I'm pissed. Bro, open doors. Open doors. Hits, bro. You're hit, but I can't save you. You're hit, but I can't save you. Now, the only way they can do W saves is the beast is distracted. Save him, bro. Save him. No. Is she gonna go for me? No, she's not. Okay. Bro, if my whole team is captured, I can't do anything, bro. This map is so heavy reliant on doors. But I really want to save, bro. It's so easy. Empty AFK. Empty not AFK. No, never mind. Bro, I'm cut, bro. Do I have to break the rule, bro? Can't do this. Are you serious? I'm breaking the rule. Okay, this is what I'm just gonna do. I'm only allowed 3 saves. 3 saves. That's 1. I have to do it here. That's 2. Okay, bro. Wasting my life. Yeah, boy. That's what I thought. Oh, no. I had to use my... I don't know what to use my last save on, bro. I don't know what to use my last save on. Do I use it here, bro? I'm not gonna use it here, bro. I hit, bro. No! Why, bro? Why do you check here, bro? Yeah, I'm hurt. Oh, yes! Yes, this team is good, bro. Okay, this team is not good. How do I have not been caught yet? And I haven't used it once besides that conference spot, bro. Conference does not count. And I still have one more save. I had to break the rules, bro. I just feel bad, bro. I just feel bad. I don't want to leave them to die, bro. They need the XP, bro. They need the XP, unlike me, bro. I don't need the XP. I just, like... I'm waiting for the update, bro. I'm just waiting for the update. I want money. I need money. I need that bundle, bro. Camper core. Camper core, please. No. Broken, bro. Oh, yeah, that was kind of deserved to be broken. And what was that troll, bro? That was a dumb troll, to be honest. But it worked out really well. Yeah. Alright, we're good. My teammates need to open the doors and they have to close it behind them. Can't hack. I'll just have to roam around the map and try to run away from the beast. Now I have 1 save. Sort of to get hit. Oh my god, I don't understand what they're saying, because... I'm not using voice chat, bro. Oh, no. Yo, I'm not using voice chat. Not today. Maybe in another video. Double hop. You know, the only thing I can do is just practice my tricks. See, I can't even do that, bro. Okay, bro. Okay. Bro, I can't wall, bro. Bro, 4 years ago is when I should have wall hopped, bro. Am I dead? Bro, I can't wall. Flea wall hopping is hard. No, bro. Speak English? Who said speak English? Do I use this last save on this guy? I can't use it on level 400. He cooked. Open doors. Yeah, the only way I can go through is the vent. And the window from over there. So means I'm cooked. Let's go. Yo, what the? Yo, is he lagging, bro? Oops, almost. Bro, I keep accidentally turning on my voice chat. Hey, yo! Bro, can't window flick. Say window flick. Bro, can't window flick. I can't window flick. Okay. I didn't open the door, doesn't count. I can do this. No, dude. How have I not been caught yet? There you go. You have doors here that are open. Oh my god, bro. Oh. Doors are closed. I'm closed. No! Okay, I actually thought she kind of fooled me there, though. Fair play. Fair enough. It's because she kind of fooled me, bro, because I thought she left. But somehow she just came back for me. Oh. No, why did I... No, don't close doors. Oh, you put me here, cut. Nah, bro, that's not, bro. That's sad. Nah, I was about to get up. But I got caught. At least I have players that can save me, bro. Let's go. Woo! The mobile. Wheels on the bus. Wait, oh, I have to look in. Okay, I don't have to look in. I can't walk in, please. Watch. Bro! Okay. Mexico. Hey, yo! I can only walk up, but I can't. España. Because I have to flick up one time and then flick over there somehow. Because I can only do this one. Alright. This is what I'm saying, bro. People get mad if they get juked one time, bro. We're cooked. Yeah, man. 2 hits, 2 low health, both high health. Yes! 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 Yes, runner. Oh my god, yes. No, don't force escape, please. Oh, they forced escape. That's stupid. Oh my god. Bro, I survived with the most health for the longest, though. Should have escaped. I'm escaping, like, right after this. It's like a vent right there. The fact I can't use E. And the fact... I only have one person that... I can see. She's in conference. Where's she gonna go? Jeez. Bro, I'm about to die. Yes. No, whoa. Kill me, bear. No one's saving me. Bro, one strand. Bro, I think she's just keeping me alive just... Okay. Couldn't use E, bro. I couldn't use E, bro. I'm sad, bro. Yeah, anyways. I couldn't use E. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment. No, I don't really care about comment. And turn on notifications if you want to see another video. Probably not, bro, because I don't post that much. Anyways, that challenge was horrendous, bro. Never doing that again, bro. How, bro? I only won like one game. One game, bro. That was the game I didn't jump. Alright, see you later, guys. Goodbye.